Alright, I think you guys can guess what I'm doing. So, little story time. If you want to just get to me cleaning my room for satisfaction, motivation, I will put the time here. But if you want to hear the story time about my TV, let me tell you. So basically, I want to move my TV. It's been there since, I don't know, a long time. And me being me, I want to be able to move my room. But the reason I'm right here is because the light in my glasses, so I'm over here. Anyways, so I wanted to move that, and it's obviously a very big task, so I was going to ask my dad to do it tonight. This is a very, very heavy TV, so it's not like I can just move it. So, we have a very busy week, because we did the garage, we want to clean, we have, like, shit to do house-wise, and moving my TV isn't really top priority, and it's a big task, so that's fine. So my mom said that majority of the story is, none of the in-between, that shelf, I live in California, we are prone to earthquakes. My mom's shelf has fallen before, but it's not near her bed, so it's completely fine, but it has fallen before, and it was properly put up and everything. They knew that, and it fell down. So my mom doesn't want me to get decapitated, so she doesn't want me to put my bed there until we take that down. So my dad needs to move that and put it there on this wall, the one behind you guys, which is my main wall. But so yeah, she said I'll think about it, but ask me next week, which I'm pretty sure. Because, like, let's be honest, this is a very simple thing to ask for as a child who's asking for something. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I could be asking for much worse or be telling her much worse. Moving my TV ain't that big of a deal. It is a big task. But I'm saying kid-wise, like, if your kid is asking for something, I don't feel like this is that bad of a thing to ask for, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, maybe in like a week or two, I will be moving my room around again because I hope that they move my TV. If I could do it myself, I would, but I cannot lift that TV by myself. It's like 200 plus pounds at least. So, but I am going to move my room around today because I need to, in my mind. And my room is also very disgusting. I feel like this is one of my top 3 worst times it's gotten. Like, it's not that bad, but it's also pretty gross. Anyways, let me show you my disgusting room because it is pretty hazardous. Alright, so we are gonna start from this corner of my room where my closet is. Old coffee, trash, Twizzlers. I'm obsessed with Twizzlers. If you don't like Twizzlers, we can't be friends. A lot of people don't like Twizzlers, but that's a topic for another day. So yeah, dirty clothes that are just not in my closet for whatever reason. Blankets galore that I just washed and keep on my hairy floor because I don't want them on my bed because I want enough room for YB and me. I just put that there today. I don't constantly keep this towel on my bed. My gross dresser, which there is a grosser part of it that I will show you guys in a minute. My disgusting dresser. It is literally tissues and Twizzler trash, plus the animals. And then my cat stuff, which is also gross. Like, you can see the kitty litter that she jumps. She literally, it's not even my fault. She jumps out of here and just all over the floor. And then I need to wash my cat's bowl. It's a whole process. And then, like, just that is disgusting. And here's a close-up. Yeah. It also needs to severely be vacuumed. And, yeah. I'm gonna start with this. I'm just gonna put it on my bed because I need to put it in my duvet. Hair everywhere. I'm gonna go get a trash bag. I can't properly clean without a trash bag. Floor. I can see my floor. Was it recording? I'm just gonna hope that it was recording. My room is pretty much clean now. I'm just gonna vacuum what I can see now so that that is clean, and then I'll vacuum again when I move my room so that that's clean, if that makes sense. Let me grab the vacuum. Moving everything towards the middle, just because I have to move it. Alright. Looks pretty center to me. So I'm gonna move my dresser. I call this my dresser 24/7. This is my nightstand. Wow. I had these in my nightstand. Oh. Literally, they're all gone. These are my cats, and she ate them, but, like, girl, they were, like, up to here. Oh, my goodness. Alright, so now I'm gonna move my dresser over there. I'm gonna take this candle off. Gotta clean this crap. I did not leave this here for a long period of time. I just saw it this morning. It wasn't there, so she did this last night. That has to sit for a little. Oh my god, y'all didn't even see me move it over there, did you? Well, I put it over there. So now I have to clean all this up, vacuum all the kitty litter. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna go wash all that and fill her water. She just ate from Zoe's food. She's so fat. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna move her stuff over there. Keeping it over there for now. See how we like it. See how she likes it. gonna make my bed just for the sake of the video. I didn't put my duvet on. I literally have to get undressed to put my duvet on. 1 second. She's going crazy. You know when cats get like those kind of moods? Okay, I'm gonna put on my duvet and make my bed, and then I'll vacuum with you guys on camera and all that. But for now, I'm gonna make that because that's gonna take a hot minute. So let me just do a little before. It's gonna take a while. So there it is, done. I still need to clean that. Take some of these water bottles out. But it's made. It looks really nice. I hit my head really hard. Like, really hard. I hit it right here on my TV. Y'all can't really see it, but it's a really sharp plastic point. And, yeah, I'm bleeding a little bit, but it's like very minor. It's like I feel like I'd be dripping blood if it was really bad, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna take a video. I'm not gonna show it just because there's blood in it. But yeah, so that hurt. I feel like I'm shaking just because I'm scared, because like I've hit my head right here. I don't know if I still have a scar. It's like white. When I was little, I hit my head really hard, and it was like dripping down my face, and I had to get a stitch, 1 stitch. But I am scared, so I'm not gonna sleep for a little bit, just in case, because I hit it really, like, as I'm talking I can feel it, but I'm not dripping blood or anything, so, but I am bleeding. Okay, I have 46 seconds to show you my room, so I'm just gonna give you a very quick overview. There's my baby. And yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm overthinking it because that is what I like to do. I'm just gonna lay down and not go to sleep. I'm overthinking it in my head, like, as we speak. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. It looks really nice, and I love my dresser over there. Okay, I'm running out of time. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.